Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have a running MVC project. Start by installing Bootstrap so you can build responsive views. Use NuGet for Bootstrap or libman to fetch exact versions. This ensures predictable files. Once done, open Layout, CSHTML and link Bootstrap. Min, CSS in the head and add Bootstrap. JS plus its dependency scripts before /body. This gives you global styling and components immediately. Make sure the order places jQuery, then popper, then Bootstrap JS, so interactive parts behave correctly. Now convert your Razor views to use Bootstrap classes for layout and components. Wrap content in container or container fluid, then structure with row and call *** so responsiveness adapts to screen sizes. Replace native form markup with form group, form control, and validation feedback so server-side model state connects visually. Once components work, extract headers, footers, and nav into partial views, or use tag helpers to keep code DRY and maintainable across pages. Finish by optimizing and verifying behavior. Enable bundling or use libman to serve minified assets in production for faster loads. Test pages across breakpoints in browser dev tools to confirm grid and utility classes behave as intended. If dropdowns, modals, or tooltips don't work, inspect the browser console for JavaScript errors and confirm script order. jQuery, popper, Bootstrap. If styles are missing, ensure no other CSS overrides Bootstrap and that the stylesheet link is not blocked or cached.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.